Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is a quick market update, and also I'm going to share with you very important concept that you need to start applying. Okay, so the concept is that you can see tons of YouTubers or just Twitter people saying that it's urgent. You need to buy right now if you don't want to miss out. Like, have fun staying poor. Like, you have heard about that? Like, that's just ridiculous shit. Don't listen to those kind of people. You know why? Because all of the great investments, there is no rush. If the investment is great, it's going to be here for a long time. The best investments are here for a long time. Let me show you, for example, Amazon stock. You know, it's here for a long, look at here, look at this, just look at this. It's here for a long time. So there's no need to rush. You know, take your time. Like I've been talking about, learn more, learn about the project, buy a little. If you like it, learn more, and if you like it, buy more. If you don't like it, sell it. I've been showing you in the membership. So if you still are not in the membership, check out the first link in the description and join the free, or you can join the premium one. You should join the both ones because I'm going to be a multimillionaire in the next bull run, and I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing. Like no one else is doing this. I'm literally showing everything I'm doing. And I'm not, I'm not joking here. I'm very serious about it. I talk about this every day. Every day I wake up, all I do is this. All I do is all my focus and attention goes to research. So, I'm not kidding. So, anyway, you can see tons of people like, if you go look at the charts, like some new asset is pumping or something is pumping, and people are like, you have to get in now or you will miss out. Have fun staying poor. Those guys. Those guys will be broke for their whole lives. But real investors do. They find blue chip assets. They acquire them over time, or you can buy in batches also. As long as you just keep acquiring them and keep learning about the assets. There is no rush. You don't want to buy into pumps. Markets are going so think about this. This is from Benjamin Graham, the mentor of Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett was compounded his whole life. He compounded money at 19.5%. No one has even basically come close to that. He's just absolutely incredibly great investor. So his mentor, Benjamin Graham, talks about that in the short term, the market is a voting machine. So people basically come here and vote. They buy here and vote. Like, I like this one, like Ethereum Classic, it's total BS. People come here in the Robinhood app, they buy it. It's going up, I buy it. So it's a voting machine, okay? But in the long run and in the long term, it's a weighing machine. So the projects that have the most weight, the most value, the most user adoption will win in the long term. That's why I'm so freaking confident in the portfolio that I'm building, because I only invest in assets that have real world adoption. They have user adoption. They have tons of weight. Like the assets I have, they are the weight. The bag is weighing a lot. It weighs a lot, and it's a long-term bag. So that's why I'm very confident sharing this with you. I've been studying some of, like, looking at what other people, like biggest influencers with like 300k followers, and these guys, their portfolio is it's just bullshit. They buy some, like, they have Litecoin there, Tron there. I don't know if they even know what they're buying. Like, they're just buying everything, and that could be a strategy too. But I'm a value investor. Like, if you are, for example, in 20s, 30s, or 40s right now, and you become a value investor. I mean, biggest investors in the Forbes 100 list, the investors are the best. Basically they make the most money. Like, think about Coca-Cola. The CEO of Coca-Cola last year made like $50 million. Okay, Warren Buffett, I can't remember what he made, but he's not CEO of, he's investor in Coca-Cola, and he made like, probably like 10 times more that. Warren Buffett didn't even do anything. Because you know why? When you invest in great assets, the asset and the business grows, and you will just take pure profit out of it as you are an investor. This is the easiest way to get rich. Like I'm telling you, but it requires patience. You need to be thinking in years, not in minutes or seconds, or coming to this chart and looking this like 24. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. If you look at this 24-hour chart, it doesn't matter what it goes. It goes ups and downs. That's what it does. People vote with their wallet. Like, I like this one, I like this one. But in the long term, if your investments have a lot of weight in it, you're going to get very wealthy. I'm not financial advisor, I'm not an investment advisor. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you still, I'm telling you, if you still are not joining in the memberships, I don't know what you are doing. No one else is doing what I'm doing here. We have like the testimonials I have got from you guys and people overall, it's just great. And some people come here and the concepts that I'm sharing maybe like too abstract to them, and they don't it's just way too much for them. Some people come here and like troll with 1-star reviews. I don't care. I remember, this is a bad, maybe metaphor, but you remember when Justin Bieber first came in the scene with the Baby song? Everybody was hating on him. Everybody was hating on him. Same thing with Eminem. When he first came with the rapping, like with the Infinite album and all that stuff, everybody was hating on him, you know? So, that's how the pattern repeats, but in the long term, we will see who will be the winner. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. See you inside the membership. Peace out.